Well, happy Friday to all you folks out there. This is R for Mill 47 coming to you from Dallas, Texas. Today is May the 20th, 2011. I'm making this video at 11:54 a.m. Central Time. What you're looking at here is, again, water vapor satellite, and we can still see the very large storm system now rotating in the western United States. It's giving off a nice big bunch of thunderstorms, some that affected a little part of me this morning, but I'll look for some more this afternoon to fire up along here. Some severe weather will be possible up in these areas. I'll show you the severe weather outlooks here in just a sec. Here's that storm system still hanging in the northeast. It just doesn't seem to want to get out. Anyway, a very impressive trough covering most of the western United States, and as that continues to rotate and move across, we are going to see several days of severe weather outbreaks. Here's a quick look at the radar, and this radar comes from the College of DuPage Next Generation Weather Lab. It's a great page for weather information if you ever want to go there. Again, it's the College of DuPage, but it's called NextLab, NEXLAB, if you want to look it up and Google it. But I like their radar just because I like black background radars. Anyway, as you can see, I showed you on the satellite, and here is the representation on radar of, again, all the moisture streaming up and around the low pressure system here. Seems like lots of moisture up in here. We've got a lot of ground clutter returns, which a lot of times show moisture and some inversion there. Here's the rain up in the northeast with that stupid low that won't go away up there. So again, areas to watch today probably for severe weather are going to be mainly here in the central sections of the U.S. Now, this is a map from the Hydrological Prediction Center, and this is a 5-day total precipitation beginning this morning, Friday, through Wednesday morning, May the 25th. So this would be accumulation rainfall. What I don't like that I see here is that we've got a bullseye of about 5 inches for the next 5 days, finally accumulating here in eastern Kansas and western Illinois there. So again, more and more rain, and this would be the Missouri River Valley that also empties into the Mississippi. Just a lot of rain continuing, and it doesn't look like it's good news at all. The flooding is going to continue. But again, this is like a 5-day total accumulated rainfall beginning today, Friday, through Wednesday, May the 25th. Here's a look at today's severe weather outlook. A slight risk from central and eastern Texas into Arkansas, and also from northern Oklahoma into Kansas up into Nebraska. The green again represents general thunderstorms. Yellow is a slight chance of severe thunderstorms. Again, that's today's outlook. This outlook is for Saturday, and we see that the slight risk of severe weather continues in eastern Texas, northeastern Louisiana, also up and down the Mississippi Valley here, from Chicago all the way down to Memphis, down into Mississippi. Also a little bit hanging back here in Kansas, and this again is part of that big slow storm system moving across the U.S. So again, that's 2 days worth of slight chances for severe thunderstorms. Now I'll focus my attention quickly on the sun. You normally probably don't see this version. This is called a magnetogram, and where you see whites and blacks, those are different magnetic polarities, means north and south. The sun's relatively quiet right now, with the exception of the couple of coronal mass ejections that came off of the western limb the other day. This sunspot region here, since you've got white and black close together, that could put off some low level flares. None of this seems to be up too close to each other, and then I might watch that area for a flare. But again, I just thought I'd show you what a magnetogram looks like of the sun. and that was taken a little after midnight last night. Here's the HAARP update. Induction magnetometer from the Gakona, Alaska HAARP facility. This is the BX, the magnetic north, and looks very quiet again today. Not much going on at any of the very low frequencies here. Now let's take a look at the next view. This is the BY component in the magnetometer, which would be magnetic east, and we do see that there has been some returns here from the 0 hertz all the way up into near the 5 hertz range. And again, this is just a little before, or let's say early this morning up until about an hour ago. So a little disturbance there showing up in the BY area. This is the BZ component, the downward motion that's reflected by the ionosphere. And again, it seems pretty stable from what we've been looking at on it. Probably a little noise here and some of the very low spectrum there, the low frequency hertz there. Couple of scattered just anomalies there, and then our standard 3 lines that seem to show up in this one. So again, HAARP seems to be kind of quiet right now. The page is running kind of slow today, but you never know why on that. So anyway, people in the central sections of the U.S., watch out for some severe thunderstorms, and of course the poor people that are still getting flooded, we send our prayers out to them and hope that everything goes well. And again, the sun is quiet right now, so I guess not too much going on for the aurora watchers. Anyway, y'all have a good one.